Hi everyone, my name is Christy. I'm an entrepreneur in Vancouver, BC, Canada. I work anytime and anywhere I want. I enjoy frequent vacations with my family when running my business on internet. My purpose is to help you achieve the same goal if you want it. Before I learned how to run my business, I had to take care of my kids at home. To work as a homemaker without a paycheck, that's not gonna work in the long run. So I considered running a retail business with a front store, but investment was too high. One day, I saw a video on Facebook that talked about exactly the same situation as mine. The simple solution was to run a business on internet. That's currently the most efficient and the least difficult way. I signed up for learning the basics of the whole process free of charge. Learning how to use an automated system on internet to finish a lot of work. So I don't need to buy stock, sell stock, make phone call, chase my friends. Not at all. The webinar was the very best 19 minutes I ever spent in my whole life. I stepped in with confidence and joined an e-commerce team with over 20,000 members for mentoring and support. Have faith, no fear. I was laughing, but a homemaker. If I can do this, you can. Never ever give up such a good chance. I thank all my teammates for unconditional support. Contact me anytime. Ask me how. See you.